panels for walls and roofs are produced on this line, and sectional garage door panels on this one. On both lines, galvanized and pre-painted steel sheets are used for production. The production starts with uncoiling the material. 2 uncoiling stations, one each for the upper and lower strip, are installed. Protective films are applied to the upper and lower steel strip to protect the high-grade surfaces until they are installed on the construction site. At coil and color changes, this station comes into action. The end of the running strip is securely connected to the next coil with rivets. It's important that production continues without stopping. Another form of strip connection, apart from riveting, is widely used: clinching, which is almost like riveting, but without rivets. On this line, the side of the strip material is trimmed to the required width. Immediately after the roller slitter, the cut-off strips run into the chopper. The chopped scrap is automatically transported in a scrap bin. A surface structure can be applied onto the steel strip before profiling. Embossing rolls with various patterns creates a surface with a special appearance. Besides the popular structures of lining, stucco and wood grain, the lower strip, for example, can also be profiled with a micro rib. Where panels are produced for garage doors, the steel strips are cut out for locks and hinges. Encoders linked to the process computer guarantee a precise production sequence and exact positioning of the cutouts. As you have seen, 2 loops are integrated in this area to ensure a continuous production flow. The Corona treatment station greatly enhances the adhesion of the foam to the inner strip surface. This has recently become more important for more critical foam systems like PIR foam and CFC-free blowing agents. We now come to the hydraulic embossing press. This press stamps a special decor into the door panel. Here it's cassette motifs. This station is particularly essential for the excellent look of the panel and finished door. The downstream edge profiling unit is exceptionally important for the quality of the finished product. Precise production of the strip's edge profile generates an exact sealing fit from panel to panel. To profile complicated profiles, such as pinch-free edge designs, requires quite a high degree of sophisticated profiling skill. It's obvious that the steel coating must be of the highest quality to prevent any traces of this deformation torture being visible on the steel. Let's move to the profiling of roof and wall panels. Here it's the beginning of the upper profiling for the inner side. After the spraying devices are several sets of profiling rollers which form the shape of the panel profile. The edges can be formed to a straight tongue and groove profile, or to a visually more appealing hidden joint or secret fix profile to hide the screw. Whichever profile is produced, keeping the closest possible tolerance and preventing any damage to the surface are the prime objectives of any profiling machine in a Simpelkamp line. Now let's take a look at the profiling of the lower strip. Later, this is the outer side of the finished panel. The forming of this profile is necessary to increase the rigidity of the roof panel for high loads. A view from below shows how this panel will appear later on the building.